How do we say there is a school near my house? There is a school near my house. Hay un colegio o instituto cerca de mi casa. Hay un colegio cerca de mi casa. The past of I, that's to say there was or there were, is había. Había. H-A-B, I with an accent, A. Había. There was or there were. How would we say there was a problem with the room? There was a problem with the room. If you remember, the word for a problem is un problema, but it's masculine. Un problema. So there was a problem with the room. Había un problema con la habitación. Había un problema con la habitación. How would we say there was a small boat? There was a small boat. And the word for boat is barco. B-A-R-C-O. Barco. There was a small boat. Había un barco pequeño. Había un barco pequeño. What about there was a Spanish club? A Spanish club. And we would say a club of Spanish. Un club de español. Un club de español. There was a Spanish club. Había un club de español. A while back we saw that to say again, we said otra vez, another time. Otra vez, V-E-Z, vez. And una vez is one time or one occasion. In other words, once. So una vez, once. Twice would be dos veces. 3 times, tres veces. How do we say, I bought it once? Lo compré una vez. Lo compré una vez. What about, I only went twice? I only went twice. And only, solo. S-O with an accent, L-O. Solo. I only went twice. Solo fui dos veces. Solo fui dos veces. What about, there was a Spanish club once a week? There was a Spanish club once a week. And a week is una semana. And to say once a week or twice a week, we say however many times, a la semana. A la semana. So a, and then another word, la, and then semana. S-E-M-A-N-A. A la semana, a week, however many times a week. So our sentence is, There was a Spanish club once a week. Había un club de español una vez a la semana. Había un club de español una vez a la semana. What about I used to go to a Spanish club twice a week? I used to go to a Spanish club twice a week. Iba a un club de español 2 veces a la semana. Iba a un club de español 2 veces a la semana. Whenever we say I like something, we say I like the and whatever it is. So I like chocolate, we say I like the chocolate. Me gusta el chocolate. If we wanted to say I like television, I like the television. Me gusta la televisión. I like swimming, I like the swimming. How would you say I like paella? Me gusta la paella. Me gusta la paella. What about I like history? And history is historia. Historia. H-I-S-T-O-R-I-A. Historia. I like history would be Me gusta la historia. Me gusta la historia. And what about I like seafood? And seafood is marisco. Marisco. M-A-R-I-S-C-O. Marisco. I like seafood would be Me gusta el marisco. Me gusta el marisco. How would you ask the question? Do you like seafood? ¿Te gusta el marisco? ¿Te gusta el marisco? If we want to say the cars, we would say los coches. Los coches. As coches, C-O-C-H-E-S, cars. Coches is plural. The word for the has to be plural as well. Los coches. The feminine version of los is las, L-A-S, las. So los and las. So los coches, the cars. How would you say the books? Los libros, los libros. And what about the houses? Remember, house is feminine. Las casas, las casas. And what about the friends? Los amigos, los amigos. Now, if we want to say I like something, and that something is plural, instead of saying me gusta, we have to say me gustan with an N on it. So, for example, I like cars would be me gustan los coches. Me gustan. And the reason is because what we're actually saying is that the cars are pleasing to me, and the cars are plural, so we're using the plural ending with an N. In the same way as they speak is hablan, they please is gustan. So, me gustan los coches, I like cars. Me gustan los coches. How would you say I like books? Me gustan los libros. Me gustan los libros. What about I like languages? I like languages. And languages is los idiomas. Los idiomas. Idiomas, I-D-I-O-M-A-S. And idiomas is one of those words that we mentioned a while back, like problema, that although it ends in an A, it's actually masculine. So, los idiomas, languages. So, how would you say, I like languages? Me gustan los idiomas. Me gustan los idiomas. And what about I like maths? And maths in Spanish is also plural. Maths. And it's las matemáticas. Las matemáticas. M-A-T-E-M, A with an accent, T-I-C-A-S. Las matemáticas. How would you say I like maths? Me gustan las matemáticas. Me gustan las matemáticas. How would you say I don't like bad boys? I don't like bad boys. So I don't like the boys bad. And just one thing to bear in mind is that because it's boys, then bad also has to be plural. Let's see what you come up with. No me gustan los chicos malos. No me gustan los chicos malos. Okay, we're just going to learn a set phrase. A set phrase to say I'm good at something. I'm good at something. And we're not going to go into the grammar of it. It's just a set phrase. So I'm good at something is se me da bien. Se me da bien. Se, S-E, me, M-E, da, D-A, and then bien. Literally, it means this particular thing gives itself well to me. It gives itself well to me, this particular thing. So, for example, se me da bien el francés. I'm good at French. Se me da bien el francés. I'm good at French. How would you say I'm good at Spanish? Se me da bien el francés. Se me da bien el francés. How would you say I'm good at what I do? I'm good at what I do. Se me da bien. I'm good at. Se me da bien lo que hago. Se me da bien lo que hago.